severe thunderstorm was located near Shorewood, or...
My friend's over.
At 5:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located on the lowest floor of the building. Source indicated. Impact damaged. Code Romeoville, Plainfield, Woodridge, Lockport, New. At 5:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Shorewood, or near Minooka, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Joliet, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Downers Grove, Romeoville, Plainfield, Woodridge, Lockport, New Lenox, Palmer Glen, Mokina, Hinsdale, Lamont, Burridge, Westmont, Darien, Crest Hill, Shorewood, Western Springs, Willowbrook, Clarendon Hills, Countryside, and Willow Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Talk about